It's Wednesday, time for our weekly trip to the new zoo.
And Neil Anderson joins us now with the trumpeter swans. Hi, Neil.
Well, good morning, guys. We're here with the trumpeter swans, and you can see down below me we have our pair here. And one of the things that just the past week is that we had 6 cygnets that we sent to the state of Iowa. And that's a real interesting program for us, and a wonderful conservation initiative that both the zoo and the state of Iowa have been involved with for several years. I mean, we've sent over 60 birds over close to 10 years of their trumpeter swan restoration program in the state of Iowa. So usually what happens is in the fall, we'll go ahead and gather up the swans, or the state of Iowa will look at picking them up. And in this case, the staff ended up catching up the swans. You know, and that's an interesting thing too, because at this particular point of the fall, is their flight feathers, have come in, and they still haven't had the ability to do that one flight over yet. So what we do is we catch them up, we feed them into this little building over here, and then they're able from there to go ahead, catch them, and crate them. But one of the important things that this whole program does, not only restore swans back to the state of Iowa, but one of the things that what we do is in the fall when we catch these guys up is that you want to catch them and you want to send them away before they get up in the air and anchor to a spot. And that's one thing that'll happen. If they got up in the air here, they would take a look at really the landscape here, and we'd have the swans coming back to this particular area. Now, one of the other things I wanted to show you is that we were in with the pronghorn just a little while ago, and we talked about the overlook, and this is a beautiful overlook, especially at this time of year, with the fall colors that you see in the background. But you'll be able to see the pronghorn, the elk, the bison, and also, of course, there's a lot of migratory birds that are flying in, landing on the pond. So if you want to hear and see a lot of activity, this is a great place to come out and view. And especially on these nice days like this, come on out and visit the zoo.